right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking your vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. Ooh, yeah. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Supposed to go, or maybe I'm just too slow. We should just lean together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. Out there looking for someone like you.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay, it's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah.
I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. I will make it right. I will make it right. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Tell me again. Tell me again.
You know we're so different, yet exactly the same. You lost my number and I forgot your last name. And oh girl, how nice it was to see you today. But oh, I remember why we both parted our ways. It's because I can't figure you out, you can't figure me out. what we're gonna do. I can figure you out, you can't figure me out. And baby, it's deja vu. It's like a bad game of Clue. Figure you out, I can't figure you out. Can you figure me out? So simple when we would infatuate, but getting to know you, girl, would make us both complicate. And sometimes I wonder if we took the time to learn instead of jumping to conclusions, girl, when we still crash and burn. And it's because I can't figure you out. Can you figure me out? What we're gonna do, I can figure you out. You can't figure me out. And baby, it's deja vu. It's like we playing a bad game of Clue. I can't figure you out. You can't figure me out. And every time I think maybe we'll be fine, something comes our way, it makes me change my mind. Let's forget about the past, or at least just for tonight. Let's move forward fast before we press rewind. And I can figure you out, you can figure me out. All we need is time, I can figure you out. I think you figured me out. And baby, it's deja vu. It's like a good game of Clue. Figured you out, I think you figured me out. Can you figure me out?
In my ripped up jeans to match my heart in this tragedy, holding on to any part of me that was once convicted. Maybe I'll meet another and feel some sparks. Forget about you when we're in the dark. All I have was made for your heart. Now I've got nothing. Come on, baby, why'd you have to break my heart? So much time, we've gotten so far. Now where am I supposed to start with this? Hey, hand me down, love, when I still feel you in every single touch. It's not fair that you got the best, and when he saves me, he'll just get the rest. How'd I get caught up in this mess? Now I've got nothing. Oh, come on, baby, why'd you have to break my heart? So much time, we've gotten so far. Now where am I supposed to start with this? Hey, hand me down, love, when I still feel you in every single Secondhand, nearly new. Just hand me down when you're through. It's okay, you didn't mean to. Secondhand, nearly new. Just hand me down when you're through. It's okay, you didn't mean to.